Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to connect MetaMask to Pancakeswap on mobile. First, ensure both the MetaMask and Pancakeswap applications are installed on your phone. Make sure your MetaMask wallet is already set up and funded with some BNB, which is necessary for transaction fees on the Binance Smart Chain. We will cover the essential steps to get you connected smoothly and securely. Next, we need to configure MetaMask for the Binance Smart Chain. Open your MetaMask app and tap the menu icon, then navigate to Settings and Networks. You will need to add a new custom network. Input the specific details for the Binance Smart Chain, including the RPC URL and chain ID. Once added, select this new network to make it your active chain within MetaMask. Now, let's connect to Pancakeswap. Within your MetaMask application, use the built-in browser. Type Pancakeswap. Finance into the address bar and navigate to the site. Once the Pancakeswap page loads, look for the Connect Wallet button, usually located in the top right corner. Tap this button and then select MetaMask from the presented options to initiate the connection process. Finally, verify your connection. After selecting MetaMask, you should see a confirmation prompt. Approve this, and your wallet address will appear on the Pancakeswap interface, indicating a successful link. You are now ready to swap tokens, provide liquidity, or engage with other features. For security, always remember to disconnect your wallet from Pancakeswap once you have finished your activities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.